Hi guys, so we've arrived in Sanremo, and from my observation it's very quiet. Not much going on in the town. We know why. But we're yet to get to our hotel because we stopped to have lunch. It smelled so good. So we stopped to have lunch and we're yet to get to the hotel. So we're gonna do that and give you a tour of where we're staying. Welcome home, Hanu. So I came up here earlier with the people from the hotel, so I will give Hanu a brief introduction. So guys, this is where we're going to stay for the next 2 nights. It's not a hotel room, it's more of an apartment. Alright, so as you enter, straight on is the bathroom, right? But this is bathroom number 1. There's a shower. Right. We have to put the key in here to get electricity.
So this time we have 2 that's useful.
With electricity, right. So this is bathroom number 1. There's a bidet, there's a toilet, and then the sink here. It's quite nice, clean. There's also here hair dryer, and yes, so that's bathroom number 1. And then here is the living room. There's a sofa. I guess we can remove this. We can remove the covering. There's a TV area. There's a dinner table just in the middle, and this whole thing is like a kitchenette where you can, there's a microwave, there's a stove. I would presume this is the bin area, so the fridge would be, I would presume, here. Yes, that's the fridge. This is, I don't know, drawers, lamps, the TV area if you want to watch TV, Hanu. This is a closet, so hangers, extra duvet, beds, pillows, and this is the balcony, and this opens up to an ocean view, ocean and building view. So just below is like the street and restaurants and so on. We were just here. The footage that you see before this was here. So as you can see, it's very quiet. There's not many people. For a holiday destination, you would see so many people, but that's not happening here. Yeah, but I'm not complaining. So we continue to the other side, since this is only the living area. So the other side, and of course we have a jacket hanger thing here and mirror. Oh. And then we have the bedroom, Hanu, and this jacket thing is here as well. And we have a second bathroom, which I think is brilliant. If we had David with us, would have been absolutely brilliant, but we're alone, so 2 bathrooms are not really necessary, but I like it. It's clean. Shower, but I find it funny, none of them have a bath. One of them should be a bath, huh? And this is the bedroom, so everything we need. A bed,
Go to the toilet back to back.
a closet, yeah, a chair, which will never, a sofa chair, which we'll never use. We'll probably just put our clothes on it. A TV stand, We're not here for long, so I guess we're not going to use these. And there's another balcony on this side, but it's not, the view is not so beautiful because it opens up to like the yard, which is here, the yard. If you have kids, there's a, I don't know if this is ours because he said there's a terrace upstairs, so I'll go up to the terrace to show you that soon. And it's resident, I will not try to pronounce the name of the place, but that's it. And yeah, that's basically it. I like the blue in here. The blue is really nice. So this is the sun terrace, and it gives you a beautiful view of the Mediterranean Sea and the town, the village. And it also gives you a glimpse of the town and I think that's the Russian church.